the line that cuts through the two parallel lines. And you need to write these angles down, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. As a matter of fact, in math, when you get to geometry, you will hear more times than you want to hear if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Say that after me. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Because you'll say that in high school a lot of times. There's a whole lot of truths and things that they say about this. Rockwell, the first one is what?
The first one is, well, I'm out of lead.
You are out of lead.
That's why I was.
Hence the reason I don't like mechanical pencils, because regular pencils never run out of lead, they just get sharpened all the way. And you know when it gets down. Is that one of those is that the world's best pencil right there? It's like one of those Terraroga ones that you can, I love these pencils. That's real wood, kids. Yep, Ticonderoga. Well, Rockwell, how do we finish that? Oh, so you have a pencil?
Yes.
Perfect, thank you. Lucas? Well, first thing is we have to define things. The first word we're going to define is what's called corresponding angles. And what in the wide, wide world of sports are corresponding angles?
I don't know in sports, but
All right, not in sports. Jack, what are corresponding angles?
like angles that like share the same line, except like in a transversal.
For example, what would be two corresponding angles?
Angle 5 and 3.
Angle 5 and 3 are not corresponding. Lauren? 1 and 5 are corresponding,
Oh, yeah.
as would be 2 and 6, as would be 3 and 7, 4 and 8. But how can we tell, how do we define what that is? The best way that I've come up with is this. If you could pick up the group of angles, or pick up, maybe I should say this, if you could pick up one intersection, and put it on top of the other, corresponding angles would be on top of each other. I'm not talking about that. That means this. If you could take this group of angles, pull it off of the paper, and put it down on top of that group of angles, corresponding angles are the ones that match up on top of each other. In other words, number 5 would be right over top of angle number 1. Angle 6 would be right over top of angle 2. Angle 7 over 3. So corresponding angles down here would be, we could write example 1 and 5. Angle 2 and 6. 3 and 7. And what am I missing? 4 and 8. Angle 4 and 8. Now, guess what corresponding angles are? Corresponding angles are, Lauren? Exactly. Corresponding angles are equal. That's part of it there. So when you get in high school math, what they'll have you say is, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then corresponding angles are equal. That's what it would be in math class. Look at Lucas, you'll do well. You will do well in high school math, just for that very reason right there. It's all about thinking. Now, why is it doing that? I just wanted to do this and it's not going to let me. All right, let's skip that whole thing and go with this one. In addition to corresponding angles, now let me see if I can shrink this enough to fit not really. Oh, what happened here? I think I have issues. So I'm going to move a little bit up this. Let's get that out of the way so we can talk about the next thing, which is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alrighty. So we have to define what interior is, and this is what interior is, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, between the two parallel lines, that is the interior. Okay, outside of the parallel lines, that is the exterior angles. Okay, so if I asked you to name the interior angles, they would be angle 3, 4, 5, and 6, because they are the ones that are inside the parallel lines. Okay, interior angles would be angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. No, it hasn't. Don't. People, we will not close this program. We will come back. Let's see what happens here. Wait a second. Sometimes, if we're lucky, it'll say recovery files found. Yes. I don't know how much of it will be there, but some of it will be there. Oh, you laugh now. It's here somewhere. Here? Oh, you got plenty of choices down here. No. Oh, there it is.
It's not cool. That's
That was our start. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't worry, I've got it on film. Where were we at? Oh, interior angles. Again, these are the interior angles. These are the exterior angles, and we were just talking about. If I asked you to give me the exterior angles, you would tell me it's 1, 2, 7, and 8. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. That's all right, we need to clean that up a little bit anyways. Okay, now, back to what we talked about. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, first of all, we know that these are interior angles. What does the question alternate mean? If you alternate something, what does that mean? To alternate, right? Okay, switching and changing. And that's what this kind of means too. Angle 5 is an alternate interior angle to angle 4. They switch sides of the transversal. Angle 5 and angle 4 are alternate interior angles, as are angle 6 and angle 3, alternate sides of the transversal. Okay, and guess what's true about angle 5 and angle 4? Alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, alternate interior angles are equal. That's an important thing to remember because Lucas is going to say if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then
The corresponding
no,
angles are
we just learned a new one.
equal.
If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. Just like if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Guess what else we have? We have alternating exterior angles. Alternating exterior angles. Same thing we just talked about. Here are the exterior angles. Alternate means that they flip sides. So angle 8 is alternate exterior angle to angle what? Angle 8
One.
to angle 1. On the opposite side, flipping the thing there. Angle 7 is an alternate exterior angle to angle 2. And those are the only two alternating exterior angles. And guess what's true about alternate exterior angles? They are equal as well. I don't think I have room to write this yet. They are equal. So now we have three groups of instruction that we have, which says that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. And if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate exterior angles are equal. And guess where we'll pick that up tomorrow? Right there.